Hey, Prince Bosco here with another episode, and I was just digging because I was bored. I was waiting for the night to be over, and I found this beautiful little thing. Not sure how big it is, but I found it, so I decided I would explore it on screen. And it's tiny. It's like a weird dungeon. It's a tiny little thing, but it has iron, and iron is important. So, I guess I'll pick up the iron. Stupid fucking water, you're always here. It's annoying. And there's some coals. Let's combine these two. Two worlds. I'm pretty sure it's still night, but I found this, and that's all that matters. You know what they say, don't mine at night, but I have to, I'm bored. Okay, well that's all that little cave had to offer, but I guess it's still something. I guess it's something, isn't it? Well, do some smelting today. Always raining. I'm pretty sure that's bad because that means that the mobs are going to stay out. Dang it. I can't toggle it, so we're just going to deal with it. Because I can't toggle it because there's no, like, you know, cheats allowed in hardcore mode. That's usually the only reason why I would try to toggle it. Well, I kind of like this positioning because I like the force in that. So I'll probably just make a little chest here because I want to carry around all this crap. I'll carry it around. So let's put this chest right there. Shoves this and this, and this and this and this and this and this in there. So yeah, what am I gonna do with this iron? Ooh, I know what I'm gonna do with that. I can make like an iron pickaxe. Hardcore? You not so hardcore. Or maybe I'm just so hardcore, it's like normal for me. Well, I see a tree over there. So that intrigues me. Really use coordinates. There's the coordinates case. Now I'll try to remember that. Or if I don't, I can just rewatch this video if I get lost. See, I'm a genius. I don't know what the heck I'm supposed to do with 6 pieces of freaking iron. Make an iron sword. That'd probably help me. Oh yeah. Screw you, stone sword. Bye bye. I just made a stone sword and never used it. And it's raining. Let's pile a bomb. Aim for the water. Dang it. Oh well. That little tower would help me. What am I gonna do? I guess I need to go mining, don't I? So I have to look for that. How's my wood? Ah, I got lots of wood. A little waterway. Stupid tree. Move out of the way. I hope no mobs are still around. Ooh, high floating tree. Dark chicken. See, hunger is a pain in the butt. I keep getting hungry. That's so weird, strangely floating trees. But I gotta find a cave. go up. Ooh, lightning. See horses? See my base? Get out of my life. Oh, nugget. Okay, screw it. Okay, it's alrighty. Double tap. Screw off. Oh my god, okay, it's like nighttime. Okay. Lightning. Close. What do you want from me? The heck? No. I got it. No. Ow. I got arrows in me. You can't figure it out. What an idiot. He couldn't figure it out. Well, he was pretty stupid. Stupid. Well, I couldn't see any freaking caves. Let's go. Something going around. Gravel, if I learned one thing, is that you hide things. Actually, do story. My first ever diamond I ever found in Minecraft was behind gravel. Just to let you guys know, gravel hides more than you think. That gravel doesn't seem to be hiding anything, so screw it. Some more coal. I guess I can continue mining downwards to the center of the earth. You'll keep them high. Oh, I'm really high up. There's lots of space to mine down. I hate doing this kind of thing. I just want to find a cave. This stupid little cave is nothing. Well, this is very, very annoying. Screw it. I don't have the patience. Nor the care. Well, I do care. I want to find it, but I don't have patience. Every day. No excuses. I can't freaking tell because of the rain. I think it's still night, but I don't know. It's annoying. Okay. Well, I could go and explore, but maybe die. Oh well. I want to be serious because I can't just die willy-nilly. I can never die, ever. Ever. Shut up, chicken. Don't know my life. You don't know my life either. Well, I can make a bed. Gotcha. FPS drop, hate you, rain. Hello. Minecraft, you so cray. Yeah. Oh, girl, that's beautiful. She is. Give me that. I'm just gonna go around clipping these sheep. Should be able to shear the feathers off of a chicken. Doesn't make sense. So I can't. Ooh, how could you not? What's standing in your way? Logic? No. Minecraft is no logic. There's no way Minecraft logic would be getting in the way of you shearing a chicken. Let's make some sugar. Oh, nuts. That's more important. A pumpkin farm or making pie. I don't know. I don't know what's more important. It's pretty close. I think I'm just gonna grow the pumpkins so I can make more pie in the long run. Where do I put this? I don't have a bedroom. Is it still night? No. Okay, that answers my question. Now, what was I doing? Right, looking for a cave. Never remember. Yo, naked sheep, you gotta get some clothes on. Naked little sheep. That's no decency. Has thou no decency? Apparently not. Okay, so. What the heck is this? Monstrosity block. Oh my god. That's awesome. Just ripped them out. Hey housies. I'm gonna ride one of you one day. For now, I can't ride you, so yeah. Why is this? Am I like an island or something, or is this tiny? I spawned over there somewhere. Oh, there's a creeper. Oh, it's sunset, I think. I don't really know. See, rain messes me up. Stupid rain. Pretty sure it's turning night, so I'm gonna go retreat. Stupid. I wasted my time. Need a bridge. Secret bridge. Secret bridge. Beautiful. Well, that was dumb. Stupid rain messed me up. I didn't know it was that late in the day already. Oh well. It's always next day. I got little pools of water here. I'm a genius. I'll just sleep the night away. Ha 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 ha. I'll set my spawn here. My god. Nope, 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 nope. No. Oh, not even. No, no, that's freaking. I don't even know what to say about it. The house has been infested by creepers, and I demand creeper busters to come here right now and deal with that problem. There's no way, no how I'm even touching that. Me on coat. Damn. Gotcha. Gotcha, sheep. Okay. I don't know what I'm looking for, but I gotta be looking for something. Stupid freaking FPS drop. Is that a cave? No. Mother of God. Found it. Jeez. Well, anyway, guys, I think you guys ended this episode. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you want to. I don't know, whatever. But yeah. Next episode, I'll check that cave out. Could be a troll cave, could be a real cave. We'll find out. Got my pickaxe ready. So anyways, guys, see ya.